Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana, and in today's video we have a question that we are given x raised to power x is equal to 16 and we need to solve it for x, right? So if you look at it carefully, this is x raised to power x means something raised to power something, same thing, right? Suppose I take x1. What is 1 raised to power 1? 1, right? If I take x2, this implies 2 raised to power 2 is 4, right? If I take x3, that means 3 raised to power 3 is 27. But our value is 16, which lies somewhere here between 4 and 27. That means x lies between 2 and 3, right? Then only we can get x raised to power x as 16, right? And how do we proceed this question? Whenever we are given the value of or whenever we are given that x is in the power, in the exponent, you always take log on both sides, okay? So I will take natural log on both sides. Usually we write it ln, okay? I will denote it with log. So what will I get now? Log of x raised to power x is equal to log of 16, right? Okay, so there is a formula now. I will write it here that says that log of b raised to power a is equal to a log b. This exponent comes here. So that means this can be written as x log x is equal to log of, 16 can be written as 2 raised to power 4, and this 4 will come here, it will become 4 log 2. Okay, so x log x is equal to 4 log 2. Now one more formula I know, and that is that e raised to power log x can be written as x. Okay, that means x can be written as e raised to power log x. Okay, and why am I doing that? I am doing this to use Lambert function. Okay, first of all let me write x as e raised to power log x times log x is equal to 4 log 2. Now I will introduce Lambert function. For that I will just erase this. What is Lambert function? Lambert W function is a w of a e raised to power a is always equal to a. So whenever you have something like this, a times e raised to power a, that means this coefficient and power are same, then you will just get a. Okay, so like here, if you see, what is the coefficient of e? Log x. What is the exponent? Log x. And what is the coefficient? Log x, right? When exponent and coefficient are same and I apply Lambert function, and whenever I apply Lambert function, I will apply on both sides. Okay, so this will become w of e raised to power log x time log x is equal to w of 4 log 2. Okay, this we will get as log x only, right? Is equal to what? W of 4 log 2, right? Okay, so how can I simplify? What can I do? I can take exponent e on both sides. Okay, I will take them in the power of e exponent. Why did I do that? Because e and log will cancel out and I will write it as x only, and right hand side is just a constant. How can I solve? E raised to power w of 4 log 2. What is log 2? Log 2 is 0.692. Okay, e raised to power w of this will become 2.772 when you will multiply them, and this w of 2.772 is 1.016. Okay, so x is equal to this, or x is approximately equal to 2.76. You can solve this on a scientific calculator. Okay, so I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.